How many times have you wished your battery lasted longer? It always seems to die when you need it most. I know what you're thinking. Great, another power bank commercial. But you've never seen a power bank quite like this. Introducing Ifory, the strongest power bank yet. With a staggering 40,000 milliamps, it puts all other existing power bank capacities to shame. How much is 40,000 milliamps? You can charge your iPhone 13 10 times, your iPad Pro 4 times, and your MacBook Pro 2 times. With Ifory, you'll never run out of power again. Not only is Ifory packed with power, the double Type-C and the double Type-A power ports have an input and output of 100 watts. So fast charging works both ways, for your devices and for the power bank itself. It took the best engineering minds to pack so much power in a casing that's no bigger than your water bottle. Ifory keeps its cool by using an exclusive sandwich heat dissipation module. The multi-layer circuit design achieves superior internal heat management quickly. The double-layer aluminum shell on both sides of the core also function as a shock absorption mechanism. They provide strong protection against mechanical damage, water, and dust. Finally, we've also installed a dazzling 1000 lumen spotlight with an adjustable beam angle. With Ifory, we dare you to run out of energy.